Alright guys, for today's video ay mag-reset tayo ng oil life and trip B ng Honda CR-V 2022 1.5 liter engine. Alright, turn on the ignition key. Alright, full start, and then let's go to the here. Nakikita nyo ba yung parang sobre dyan? Pinutin lang natin mga idol. So average speed, punta tayo sa seating, enter. So kita nyo ang oil life, ang oil, press and hold. Ayan, all due, go to all due, press, reset, complete. The oil life is 100%. So ayan, pagkatapos ng oil life, so pupunta tayo dito sa post, yung post rod dito, kita nyo, select natin. So kita nyo yung trip E, trip B. So yan ang ating odometer, ang ating i-reset. So trip E, press and hold this button. Ayan, then press 1 and press and hold again. Ayan, ayan lang ang mag-reset ng oil life at ang trip E, trip B ng Honda CR-V 2022. Alright, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.